get ready to go look at targets. So.
I'm hanging them up on my room door.
This is the shotgun target. We was hitting with a couple 40 cal bullets. Yeah,
Was that one?
Damn, I'm stuck.
What was this one?
They had to be probably just a 40 cal bullet, probably just tumbled or something. This one all the way out here. Oh my God, I don't even know if I even touched this one out here, guys. Everybody's out here doing their little thing and stuff. But yeah, this is the AR target that I was shooting at, and also with the Mosin Nagant. Now I can see, okay, we was hitting it. We was hitting it. These has got to be those Mosin Nagant bullets, and the smaller ones are the AR bullets. And I was aiming at both of these.
I did that one, yes sir.
Hey, look at him. He did that one. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. look at me. Oh my bad. I wasn't even having the camera right. But there I am right there with the big dude.
I think it was me.
He thinks it was him.
Nah, but this one was mine though.
Which one? He thinks.
That was the only one when I had the sniper, that was the only one I aimed at.
Look at this big one. I was knocking them out. So yeah, so what you want to do? You want to go ahead and pack it on up?
You want to?
Yeah, we can go ahead and pack it on up. You get this one, I get the other one?
Yeah.
All right. So this is the ground out here. It's all wet and muggy and stuff. But we had fun. I had fun. You had fun?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we'll get ready to go ahead and pack it on up. Take it to the crib, do something else different. So, peace.
All right, I need everybody behind the yellow line. If you just got here, just leave everything on the tables and behind the yellow line. Guys at the very far end, behind the yellow line. All right, get this thing going. All the way down on the left. You guys ready on the left?
Wait.
Ready on the right?
Put your foot on the line up there too.
That's all.